Welcome to the world of Chris Dancy, the world's most connected person. Seriously stop what you're doing and Google most connected, or even ask ChatGPT, who's Chris Dancy? Even AI knows him.
Hi there, I'm Chris Dancy, and I'm going to take you on an exciting journey through 3 service areas: events, workshops, and experiences.
Events. Chris's journey, documented in his Netflix series, Darknet, and his best-selling book, Don't Unplug, has led to captivating keynotes that explore technology's profound impact on us and how we can use it to change the world for the better. He's not a futurist. He lives this life.
What's unique is I built an amazing engine where you get to pick not only the topic, but the feeling you want your audiences to feel. It can be anything from inspiration to provocation. Sometimes you want to make people a little upset. But more importantly, my topics are wildly outside of the norms, from digital wellness to techno-paganism. It's all at your fingertips on this site.
Workshops. Dive into hands-on experiences with workshops like your first no-code app and coding your first AI system. These 3 to 4 hour sessions empower you to build something technical you never thought possible without any coding skills required.
Whether it's simplifying access to your community or building your first no-code and AI startup, workshops are the way to push the boundaries with your organization or community and achieve the impossible. Everyone is welcome, and everyone leaves having built something.
Experiences. From technical wonders like the sensor petting zoo to the supernatural intrigue of phone palmistry, Chris offers a range of experiences that ignite curiosity and blows people's minds.
Ever wanted to experience all the sensors in your life, or take a cybernetic test to see just how cyborg you are, or find out what secrets your phone screen reveals about you? Experiences are the extra layer of fun added to any event or team building exercise.
Regardless of your event, company, or community's needs, Chris Dancy brings over a decade of media, global reach, and excitement to create an unforgettable experience.
So are you ready to go on a transformational journey with me? Let's make technology work for you and your community together.
Catch Chris as he returns to Scandinavia soon.